Hi friends, I've had several of you ask questions about the big project 3 and how you should be setting up your ad groups. And so I wanted to record a quick video walking you through it just to make sure everyone is on the same page and you guys are best set for success. So let me show my screen here. Project 3 requires that you create one ad group, 2 ads inside that ad group, and then 10 keywords for that ad group. Apologies about that. My son just needed to tell me that he's using his media time now. So one ad group, 2 ads in the same ad group, and then 10 keywords in that ad group. This is a somewhat optimal setup. I normally like to have multiple ads in a single ad group like this. 10 keywords, though, can be a little bit broad. For example, if you are selling shoes, if you have a shoe website and you're selling Nike and Adidas, if you have a Nike shoes ad group and then 10 keywords, your 10 keywords may cover things like Nike shoes, Air Max, Nike Air Max. It might include different brands of Nike, these same keywords in this ad group. And this makes your advertisement not as relevant as if someone searched. So if someone searches Nike Air Max, they likely only want to see Nike Air Max and not any other brands. So what if Google decides to show one of your ad iterations that has the other brand in it? You've just paid more for that in the click if someone does click, and you've decreased the likelihood that someone will click. This makes it so your keyword quality score, or how relevant Google thinks your keywords are, it makes that quality score lower, and you're going to pay more per click and get less qualified traffic. So I normally encourage students to do ad groups with smaller sets of keywords, 5 or 6 keywords that are very similar in topic. And those are all related to the 2 or 3 ads that are all very similar in topic. And then that rolls up to the ad group that is just very tightly knit about a specific topic. That's what I normally recommend. For this assignment, BYU Idaho has asked us that we have you think a little bit more about keywords and go a little bit more broad. So 1 ad group, 2 ads, 10 keywords. That's kind of the bare minimum that you need to do for project 3. After you turn your ads on in week 10, there's going to be a period where you run the ads for about a week, and then you'll pause them and then optimize and turn them back on. Some of the optimization tools or optimization recommendations you'll see in that week are in regards to improving quality score by having these ad groups be more tight. So I just wanted to briefly touch on this. I know the assignment is not asking you to do best practice yet, but you'll learn best practice in a later week. And ultimately, you're going to set something up like this. Well, in the real world, you will set something up like this. In this class, you're going to do some optimizations. But if you ever have a big marketing budget, for example, at one point in my career, I was managing a $6 million a year budget directly myself. And that was for all of our digital marketing efforts, even though the lion's share of that went to Google Ads. And the way that I set it up and saw really strong success was having campaigns that were more product level. And then in that campaign, I had dozens of ad groups that were specific features or specific subtopics or potential areas of concern for consumers. So each ad group was a very tight niche. And then all of the keywords fit that tight niche. They were all so closely related and similar to each other that you knew you weren't going to get confused traffic from someone searching about a specific topic, then being shown the wrong ad, and then being taken to the wrong landing page on your website. You want it to be relevant, tight-knit, and very close to similar ad group bundlings. That's best practice. We'll go out about that later, but for the assignment in Project 3, you just need to make sure you have, again, 2 ads in 1 ad group and then 10 keywords in that ad group. And you'll be showing that to me just for your grade. Please, as always, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.